So Maruti Suzuki True Value has been a big name in the organized used car sector for so many years now, and it's a big milestone for them because the brand has now completed 2 decades of selling used cars to consumers. To talk to us more about that is Mr. Shashank Srivastav. He is the Executive Director, Marketing and Sales for Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Welcome to this discussion,
Thank
Shashank
you so
sir.
much. Thank you.
Just briefly take us to the journey of True Value. You started 20 years ago, and where we are today. How has it been for the brand?
When we started 20 years back, it was first of its kind in an OEM coming into a used car business. And primarily when we established the business, which was in 2001, it was largely with the objective of getting the old cars and sell in exchange new cars. And therefore the primary purpose was to the sale of new cars. It is still to some extent, still the purpose remains the same. But of course, it also supports dealer revenue streams, it supports dealer profitability, it supports the dealer workshop operation or spare parts overall. And I think the long-term relationship with the consumer is, which we have built through True Value, has been really beneficial for the brand. And that's what the story has been for the last 20 years.
In terms of norms on how you check your cars, how you certify your cars, how has that changed? Has it become more stringent, more strict on how you decide, how you check those cars?
Yes, so I think as the technology progressed and also as we came to understand this business more, we understood consumers were looking for real trust and transparency. So initially we started with some 120 checkpoints, but now the checkpoints are, you'll be surprised, 376 checkpoints. So in that sense, this has become a much more stringent checking than what we used to have earlier. And of course, digitalization has enabled us to do many things, like we are using AI ML technology for evaluation and also for pricing our vehicles. So as we went along, the technology changed, so did our processes.
How has the demand changed, or let me ask you, let me put it in a way like this, how has the scenario changed from the consumer towards the used car sector, especially after the pandemic since last year?
Yeah, so the demand for used cars has obviously gone up. However, I must say, so also the supply has come down. So there were two contradictory things which we had to deal with. On one side, we had a large increase in demand, and on the other side, we had the old cars coming into the market sharply falling. Because consumers after the COVID were very careful, and they were taking a longer time to sell their vehicles off to buy new cars. So what we found was that the average age of the cars which are coming to us actually increased from about 8.1 years to almost 9.3 years, which means that consumers were holding on to their old cars a little longer. And that explains the shortage of cars in this. So even though we had a huge demand, but actually the used car sales during the COVID fell down. It's gone up again, of course, this year post the wave 2.
Okay, and what about cars from other brands? We come here, we see only cars from Maruti Suzuki are parked here.
Yeah.
But how does it work otherwise? Can a consumer get a other brand car also from True Value?
Absolutely. So, as I said, we had our primary business is exchange of cars. So, we find a lot of customers who come in to buy Maruti cars are actually acquired from the competition. So, they have a competing brand and they come and sell it off to True Value RPOC, and they take a new Maruti car in return. In fact, the percentage, as a percentage, these non-Maruti cars are about 27-28%. Yeah.
And finally, I want to ask you, what is your now over the next 1 year or 2 years? What is the outlook of this organized used car sector? How rapidly do you see it growing?
Yeah, so it has been evolving very rapidly, and in fact, earlier times the C2C, which is customer to customer exchange, used to be about 80%. It has come down sharply. This sector, which is the organized sector, used to be about 3-4%. I'm talking of some 10-15 years back. It's now almost 20%. And of course, the used car market itself has flourished along with the new cars. So the factor is around 1.5 at the moment. So if you have 3 million cars sold as new cars, this market would probably be around about 4.4 or 4.5. So that's actually a very large market size. Out of this 4.5 million, that's about 20% is organized. So that's about 8 lakh vehicles. So we sell roughly half of them.
Right. Thank you so much for your insights, Shashank Chan, and wish you all the best for the future
Thank you
journey
very
of
much.
True Value.
Pleasure talking to you.